I don't care what they say about you, buddy. You're friggin' awesome. What do you got there?
Injector.
Oh, a pencil injector.
Yeah.
From a 544 John Deere, you don't say.
It seemed it was this fitting. It looks like somebody's cross-threaded it before.
Oh, that's...
It was on tight though, but it could be, you know...
So mash Marmaduke.
It was, you know, it's got the little tapered press fit.
Mm-hmm.
And it could have been just an alignment issue where, you know, it goes on and off fine, but somebody might actually cut the threads so it's crooked.
Mm-hmm.
Who knows? Seal down here too.
That's less than ideal.
Yeah.
Maybe we should price out a pencil injector. What do you think?
Yeah, for all of them. I mean, I
all of
cleaned
them.
it.
What?
It was like a chunk on the tip. You know, it was pretty caked.
Oh, like some carbon buildup, some hydrocarbons.
I mean, that seal there. I mean,
that's probably less than ideal, eh?
yeah, it's a little fucked up, but I don't know. I'm just gonna try to get this to seal if at all possible. But
so that's the injector itself, or is all this bullshit extra? Because doing
seems to be it. I mean,
but like, does this come off and?
No, that's all brazed in. I mean, it looks like somebody's already.
So are they all like the same?
Oh yeah, it looks like they're all the same. I mean, it just threads on right here, obviously, to get the seal on or off. But
awesome.
other than that, can come off. You know, it's all one piece. But
Sweet. We'll look online. So we can daunt this. Hey, what do you think about the old dually out there? Is she not too bad, or what do you think? Other than the trammy's fucked, but I mean, I was thinking about doing it, but like, you know what I mean? It's like one.
it's risky unless you do it all the time. Like
Yeah.
that's why people that work on them, that's usually they just work on transmissions.
Yeah. I mean, you're Nelson Pini, not a fucking magician. Everybody? I mean, you're probably a magician too, for fuck's sakes. Wouldn't put it past you, but
It's never gotten into transmissions much other than garden tractors and whatnot. And they're not even worth the time.
yeah, same type of deal though. Fucking, if you can do a garden tractor, you can do an MD 4500.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No difference.
No, none. But yeah, running behind on a whole bunch of shit. But I do want to get the power washer out, and we'll give this.
I mean, these bolts, like this side's tight. The other side, I can't get a good look in there. I cranked on them, but they might just be, you know, rusted. Looks like they've been like that a little while. Probably, I don't know. Last time, like you see, the joints here have been changed. I don't think they changed the bearing. That's so once you get bouncing on the road, you know, just double check on those again. There's probably rust compacted in it. That's yeah,
great.
I see they changed the starter, hanger bearing.
Starter and hanger bearings new.
Yeah, starters probably clean around the same time as the joints, U-joints. Looks like the hanger bearing too.
Oh yeah. Holy, what's that? The blow-by? Blow-by tube?
Yeah. I don't know.
Weird. Where's that coming from?
Check it up top.
But whatever it is, it's all coming apart up there.
Obviously, crankcase bent.
Oh, what do we got here? Old brake line or something? Oh, and the new one's routed really well. Wow. Oh, this needs an Elsapini. Hey? She's a leaky her. Maybe we should give her a prayer version under here and clean up everything, right? Transmission and...
Yeah, at least in this area.
Oh, well, that's handy. Is there supposed to be a bolt in there? And then this one's all bent. So this tab's bent, and that one is not got a bolt into it.
Oh, yeah.
So what's that for the... It's still attached. Oh,
I
yeah.
wonder if this thing's leaking too. See, it's almost clean spot. I don't know. I'm sure we'll find other problems along the way.
Squishy. But yeah, I'll just take it to the trammy dicks. I mean, there's enough other shit we can worry about. Traptor, all the bullshit with this thing. Friggin', we'll get the power washer out. I finished my vitya and just waiting for a response. It's got to be how much or something here soon. And I see you're hard at work. I got to run those lines and hook up that cooler, and then oh yeah, it's how much or something. I gotta go. Tip a word? How much or something? Fucking lumps of cat shit everywhere in this gravel, those little fuckers. Oh, the ground is just soft as no go. Good thing I fucking brought this yesterday and not today. Holy shit. Did you get the pencil injector back into it?
Yep, just getting fitting broke loose. So
you bet.
Crank it over until it starts leaking.
I apologize. You want me to crank it over? Get right in the pivot so you get fucking pinched relentless, Nelson. Did you see the ground cable on the battery's nice and insulated?
Yeah, I seen that.
So what do you think? Try her?
Yeah, just for a bit.
Like try running it or what?
No, I'm just trying to prime it right now.
So just push the button or?
Yeah. Little more.
Fuck, she runs mint, Albert. Did you rebuild the pencil injector?
Guess so.
Is it leaking?
I think it's going to keep going over down. I'm going to take it down and really up and clearing that one out.
It's a little wet there. Is that residual?
Yeah, it was blowing out until I cranked her down.
Oh, good thing the containers are shut there, Piss Beer. Good work, buddy. Hydraulic fluid. Well, let's see if we got any fluid or something. What do we put in it? Transmission fluid? Because I seem to remember it doing that before. Like, you know, it wouldn't fucking run where the shit, and then I really fucking titsed her off with hydraulic fluid, and it came back to life. Holy shit. It's just getting shots for the friggin' calendar. Terrible, Nelson. Just got to get this son of a bitch moving a little bit so we can hook onto the guy and just shuffle her over. The driver, him no good. I don't know what part on the wood he didn't get, but yeah, man, we're not on the wood at all. And he best, but if the thing can't even move itself, it's certainly not going to move the chip container. Oh shit! Is that just you spilling it? Is that just you spilling it? Love it? It's not going to move the container if it can't move itself. I'll have to just put more fluid into it. Holy, what's that? Not even in the realm. Is the man. Are you testing the continuity, Nelson? Oh, I apologize. First use of the shop hose water there, buds. You see, this is way too much of an operation. I need to be able to fucking wheel the thing out, plug the water in, push a button or something and have the thing fucking fire up. You know what I mean? Not spend literally half a fucking hour plugging shit in, running wire and cable and hose and fucking shit. And
make an electric one, but like if you have like a 15 volts, you got 3-phase out here?
well, I got that 3-phase. springs too? How'd you make out, buddy?
I found a spring that might work.
Where?
And it was on a go kart chassis out there. I was able to cut it in half. It's a tiny bit weaker, but it's, you know, it's clicks and clacks. For as long as you don't pop out.
Nelson. But my piece that I made there was no good?
This one might be no good. I mean, either way, it's a really precise kind of thing, right? It's got to take some impact too. So, I mean, definitely got the replacements ordered for it for sure. Springs too, but I don't know. Just moving it physically just seems so far to be taking it.
So, like worst case Ontario, we can just pop these off and replace the bits afterwards.
It seems like it's the tool perfect for it, right? They can just clamp her down like that, wherever the hole's at, just stick it, and then just.
I knew I had that because that's just ridiculous, right? I've tried it on a couple different things because, like you say, you never know, right? And
yeah, it's a perfect tool for it. So.
Decent.
Yeah, it's that. Try it out. I don't know. I'm giving it 50-50 maybe, but that one's looking like so far.
Let's hope. Eh? Couldn't hurt. It's not going to hurt to try. Eh? Frig's sakes, but got the perversioner out. What happened? Yeah.
That was just horrible. I couldn't believe how much torque you put on those things.
This piece no good.
It's just getting the form straight all the way across. No matter what, it's going to be off a little bit. Binding.
It's so small.
Yeah, that's the worst thing, but the binding is going to break no matter what. That binding's not going to stop that.
No. It's working, buddy. You're a real boy.
Hopefully it keeps on.
Okay, well, we won't just waste the technology. Okay. Awesome, buddy.
So,
holy shit. Oh, Gouda friend. We'll have to rip that off, eh? There's no Gouda friend. No Gouda friend, no go. Do you want lots of supper?
a little bit. Just a bit.
Just a little bit? Why would you have cheese and crackers? You're sucking back cheeses and crackers. Is that like your favorite? Here, let's get one into you for a movie. A cheese and cracker and a cigarette. And with Nelbert. Oh, goodness gracious. You just scratch at it. Terrible. Oh, you love those. Don't want to waste it, for frig's sakes. Decent. Well, fucking thanks. Terrible, buddy. Now I can get back to indicating. And we got the hot water perverser. Oh, I should have got some pictures. Next time I do it, I'll get some pictures of power washing the truck, for, you know, up on the hoist, and then make some ads, hot water power version. Oh, it's raining out relentless. I don't like this one bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does a good job degreasing shit.
Fucking right, eh? Look at the parking lot, eh? Oh, you can't even saw this, but trust me, the parking lot's degreased, eh? Still friggin' pipe. But that's good though, you know, it'll really soak the hoist down now that I've cleaned it. So we'll give it a good coat underneath as soon as it dries out again. And then that'll be good for winter. Decent friggapini. How's Undercoating? Man, Nelson's worth his weight in pantantler pus, eh? Holy suffering. Just a big old gob of it. Wow. Well, trapped are no good though. It doesn't seem to want to cooperate, so. Yeah, we'll have to, seems like you rev the ball sack off it and she no go. You can feel it going into gear, put it in your arm, you go right, you know what I mean? So, I don't know. Leave it to Nelsopini, I guess. Oh, that son of a bitch. What the fuck's he doing knocking that over? Fucking, he no good. Got the snowblower, case it friggin' snows. Fucking window in the old lady's van. What else did you fix? All type of stuff.
Bunch of stuff.
Eh? Holy.
Just need a trouble light to get in that van.
Oh, goodness gracious. Trouble light? Is that gonna work? What do you mean?
Yeah, I mean this will do, I guess. If I switch it to that, it's getting low.
Oh, it's getting a little bit low. You just squeeze it. Here. Oh, cold, wet. Ooh. Ooh, cold, wet. Oh, I quit. Hey? Have your cigarette, buddy. It's cold and wet out there. I quit. Hey? I quit. But, when it's raining, I don't want to fucking be out there, you know what I mean? So we'll leave Nelson to that. It would have been nice to get that shipping container moved before it went to mush. But, yeah, we had to wait an extra day, and friggin' that turned into this and that, and fuck sakes, and no good, and now look. Away she goes, and we're custom DZPini. But, anyways, boys, trying to think of something I could get Nelson for Christmas, but, what do you get the guy? You know what I mean? Get him a fucking pair of underwears with the big front, you know what I mean, or something, I don't know, but that's kind of a personal situation, you know what I mean? But yeah, if you have any ideas, friggin' send it, but anyways, other than that, friggin' a little bit of a finger fudgeki, a couple of itches from early week, but there you go, another dick button button. Until tomorrow.
Don't the waters get you?